And on the website product page itself, underneath of the pricing section, there is this notification showing up that 3 people viewed this item, selling fast. This is another crazy video which will blow your mind, because in this video I'm gonna show you how to add the feature where on the product page when you visit, it will show up how many visitors have visited that particular product page in last 24 hours. So this feature is amazing, and it creates the scarcity where customer goes under FOMO, fear of missing out, and purchase the product straight away. So let me show you how does it look like. Also, let me show you how to implement that particular feature on your Shopify store without installing any single app and without spending any dollars. So this feature is free of cost. You do not have to purchase any apps from your Shopify app store, yet boost your revenue. So let's get started. Myself Hardy from ecomhardy.com, and here I am on the Shopify admin panel. Let me go to the front end of the website. So this is how the website product page looked like. And on the website product page itself, underneath of the pricing section, there is this notification showing up that 3 people viewed this item, selling fast. So it is very nice. It is popping out and the colors are bright enough. So it is creating kind of FOMO effect as well, which is nice. If you want to add this feature directly on the product page, what you have to do is first simply go to ecomhardy.com. This is my website. And once you go to ecomhardy.com, the front page or home page looks like this. You can simply search for Shopify and custom liquid codes. You can also use the search bar here and search for liquid codes, and that way you will find all the liquid codes in the results. Here, this is the first result, custom liquid codes for Shopify. Simply click to that, or you can always click to Shopify and then custom liquid codes. Now here you will find the liquid codes to enhance the features of your Shopify store. So if you scroll down, this is the feature you're looking for. This is the code you're looking for. And if you see, you simply scroll down and here you will find more information, how above code works. So usually the way it works is track real-time visits, remove visits older than 24 hours. If the real-time visits are more than 3, then shows the actual visit count. If the real-time visits less than 3, displays the random number between 2 to 9 to create the urgency. Also, it displays the message dynamically on the product page. Now, here are some short and urgent variations, so you can feel free to check it out and modify your notification message accordingly, whichever one you like, or you can create your own. But to add this code to your Shopify store, simply make sure you highlight this code, scroll down all the way and up to the script end. So start of the script from the division to end of the script, and then right click C, Control C, or right click copy. So Control C on your keyboard, and then go to your Shopify admin panel, go to online store, and here click to customize the theme. So clicking to customize, and here select the products and default product. Now here you can customize the product page, go in the sections, and then under the templates, under the product information, above variant picker, add new block, and then custom liquid. So once you select custom liquid block, it will show up something like this one. Here you paste the code you copied from the Ecom Hardy website. So paste the code here. When you copy from the website, it is in the text format. And when you paste it here, the formatting might not be correct and the code may not work. So what you have to do is, instead of pasting here, what I'll do is I'll go to ChatGPT, and on the ChatGPT, I'll say, can you check the formatting of this custom liquid code and fix it if required? And then paste the code here, and ChatGPT will check the theme liquid code or custom liquid code and will find out if any issues present and will give you the fixed code. Once you receive the code in ChatGPT, simply click copy and go back, and here on the product page customization section, in the custom liquid codes, you just paste the liquid code. Once you paste it, it will start showing up here. Voila. and save changes. Now you have this feature added to your product page. If you want to modify any of these things, what you have to do is go back to Ecom Hardy. There are a few suggestions here. Just imagine I like this suggestion. X people viewed this in last 24 hours with the fire sign. So I just copy this one, go back and click to the custom liquid, and in the custom liquid section, search for the message shoppers today hurry, and here is the message. So after visitor count, I highlight the rest of the text and paste it. Now it will show something like 8 fire X people viewed, so I have to fix it. So remove the X, Control X the fire, and instead of the thunderbolt I just replace with the fire. Now you can see fire, 12 people viewed this in last 24 hours. Amazing. Now if I check it out the mobile view, on the mobile it will look something like this one, which is good too. So just after the product price and the reviews, it is showing like this one, which is nice. Now I save changes, and if I want to check on the live preview, what I have to do is click to three dots and view. And if I go to any product page, you can see here now it's showing 8 people viewed this in last 24 hours. So that's it. That's how you can add this kind of feature. These kind of notifications can increase the revenue and sales of your website. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you like this video, and show your appreciation by just clicking the thumbs up and subscribing to this channel if you are here for the first time. And also comment me in comment box below if you have any questions or suggestions. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time. Until next time, take care. Bye-bye.